bitch.
Hey, what's up with y'all? What's up with y'all? This your boy Q. How you doing? How you doing? Your boy been grinding, hanging, and banging. You know what I'm saying? I've been up since 5, been at work since 6. Just finished a client right quick, and it's 5:46. I did good. I was supposed to get up at 6. Your boy got up at 5:46. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this, bro. You know what I'm saying? But it's time for Little Rock Cigar Group. We call it Rocktown Cigar Group in Little Rock, Arkansas. We got a little group we do. We basically go to different cigar lounges and basically represent, show our love and everything. So basically, our guy Scully, he's not the president. He should say that he's the president. Scully put a little event at his house. I like that he hosted his house, so I'm gonna take a couple of things over there. I'm gonna take my baby boo, take my wifey over there. We're gonna have to show you how Little Rock do it, you know what I'm saying, out in the country, in the sticks. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have a little burn, you know what I'm saying? A little burn. We're gonna burn, baby. Let me stop that.
You know that's the cameraman. He the fire marshal bill and the cameraman.
Don't say that on your husband, he might throw something at me.